Hi guys, it's Chris with WTI. This is the 19-inch 58,000 BTU gas fireball made by Outland Living. On those cooler evenings after a busy day, we bring a little bit of our camping experience home by lighting up the fireball in our backyard. I like that the fireball is portable. You can take it anywhere, even camping. It comes with a sturdy metal cover which is safely secured with an elastic strap that doubles as a handle to carry it around with. Another thing I like is that you can change the flame setting with the turn of a dial to suit your comfort level. I was quite impressed by the amount of heat that it gives off. It's also nice that in most communities, a gas fire pit does not require city permits and is safe to use in a fire ban as it's spark free. You may have noticed that I've converted my fireball to natural gas in view of the longer 15-foot hose. This is an added feature from the manufacturer, and it works great. And that's my point of view.